Chiang Mai University Smart City Clean Energy Project, one of the pilot smart city projects supported by the Ministry of Energy. A complex power facilities with 5 internal feeders. This university project comprises buildings of various structures, different voltage levels, varying from 220 volts to 22 kilovolts, and different load profiles and time of use. BCPG has installed a 12 megawatt solar rooftop system and 1.2 megawatt hour energy storage system to provide a smart energy infrastructure, which will enable users to produce, consume, and exchange electricity efficiently by using blockchain technology. With the use of blockchain technology, electricity transactions can be done at many levels between 2 buildings. Among faculties and among feeders, this is a model of real energy transactions of large cities in the future. Blockchain technology can also display real-time energy transactions data. One can know the sort of electricity they use and where their generated electricity supply into. Electric vehicle in the university not only transport people from place to place, but also carry green energy like mobile energy hubs. With vehicle-to-grid technology, the vehicle can store electricity in its battery from buildings with installed solar rooftop and feed energy into other buildings when needed. Blockchain technology can also indicate the source and amount of energy fed into vehicles. Moreover, AI and machine learning are 2 important tools mapping the best locations for vehicles to charge/discharge batteries. The integration of new technologies, blockchain, IoT, AI, and machine learning, in developing smart energy infrastructure will help Chiang Mai University become a completely perfect smart city. A model of smart city in Chiang Mai and for future smart cities in Thailand. Energy Reimagined.